So what do we got? Well, I'm trying to play catch up with everything that's going on, and in the meantime, I am watching some of I'm in Trade's new video he just came out with. Um, just giving advice that works. I mean, it does. He has some pretty good advice that goes on here. Comparison, the quote that's actually on there right now says, "Comparison is a thief of joy, so only compare yourself to people you're better than." But comparison is the thief of joy. And if you are at any point in time on social media watching what you are doing as you are learning how to trade, then you're going to come across a lot of people who are doing better than you. And it gets really, really tough because it's going to stir up some feelings inside of you that cause you to want to, you sort of want to mirror what they're doing. You want to match what they're doing. You want to be as successful as they are without going through whatever process it took for them to be successful, if they're successful at all. You have a lot of people who are on social media, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, Telegram, Twitter, and they will promote all sorts of stuff. But what you really need to find is somebody who has shown you all of the progress. And so a couple people that I've come across that you can look into is like Shawn. He's run a Telegram for like 6, 7 years now. Everything is in there. He completely and totally lays it all out. Tory trades, at some point in time, she was doing the exact same thing, showing her records of everything like that. It's sort of been locked down a little bit more now, but she was one as well. I try to be as open, as honest as I can. I have nothing to sell though, because I am in the same thought process as I'm in over there. If you can't make it trading, then you don't necessarily need to sell courses. And I understand there are a bunch of people who will come with the idea of, well, yeah, but it's just they're additional sources of income. And there's been a couple of videos that I've seen that talk about one is focus, and the guy breaks it down. He's like, what does focus stands for? Follow one choice until successful. And so that's where a lot of you and I should be. If we are wanting to make trading work, we should make trading work. Trading by itself should work. The idea of needing multiple streams of income come later, if you even want that. It's a way to increase your portfolio and increase your income and your revenue. But if you can't make it by trading alone, then I do not believe you should be out there teaching other people how to do it. And so if you are looking for a mentor, which I highly encourage, you don't need it. There's plenty of things that you can look and learn online. You don't need a mentor, but I would recommend that you find one. Find one mentor, find one strategy, and stick to both of those things and just make it work. Because just about anything out there works in the trading world. It's like shooting fish in a barrel. Because it's the person that makes it work. And so go that route. Don't try to overcomplicate it though, and just find one person. Whether that be me, I don't care. I can help you out. Whether it be somebody else, if you've already found somebody you're like, I like this person, stick with them. Turn out all everybody else. Even if you found me and you're like, well, yeah, but I'm following this other guy. Cool. Shut me off. Don't subscribe. Don't watch any more of videos. Don't watch anybody else's videos. Only focus on him. Now, if that person is handing out left and right different strategies all over the place, you need to shut him off as well. You need to focus on one of the strategies that is stuck with you, and you need to focus on that only and work towards that. Shut off everything else, because comparison is the thief of joy. As soon as you start getting into some sort of losing streak, you'll start seeing the new strategy from the same person that you love, and it's working, and you're like, I'm going to move to that. And then as soon as that one hits a losing streak, you'll do the exact same thing. And you'll just be bouncing from thing to thing to thing to thing without actually any success in the process. So don't do that. Find one person, find one strategy, and stick with it. If it's me, if you stuck around, then by all means, come on to Discord. Let's have a conversation. Do not join my Discord and just sit in silence. The whole point of Discord is for us to have a conversation. I want to get into what you're doing and find out how I can help mentor you along. That's it. I don't want to sell you anything. I don't want to. I don't want anything from you other than the fact that I want you to really stay committed and focused on what you want to do so that you can reach your goals. And so I'm trying to help you with that. So join Discord. Let's talk there. Stay focused.